Modern medicine is finally acknowledging the value of supplements in supporting and rejuvenating our body's systems instead of using drugs, which basically only take care of the symptoms, like a Band-Aid effect. Many physicians who were not knowledgeable at all when it came to supplements are now being forced by their patients to rethink their treatment plan and be able to intelligently discuss all the options available. Acetyl-L-carnitine has also been found to be useful in cases of stroke and nerve regeneration after injury. A study conducted at Stanford University of Alzheimer patients showed a dramatic improvement in memory and cognitive function in patients under the age of 62. Now that's really exciting for me, because I know already I'm suffering from some memory loss. The patients over the age of 62 did not show as dramatic an improvement in memory as the previous group did. However, they did show the same dramatic improvement in nerve regeneration and motor function. Another important nutrient in Cellgen is alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is an interesting compound because it works like a vitamin and was actually classified as a vitamin at one time. However, after conducting more research on ALA, scientists decided to reclassify it as an antioxidant. What makes this antioxidant so unique is that it is both water and fat soluble. This is important because not only is it easily absorbed into our water-based tissues, such as the heart and muscle cells, but it is also easily absorbed into our fat-based tissues, such as our nerve cells and brain cells. Research has also shown that ALA can help repair nerve damage due to the debilitating effects of diabetes. Diabetic neuropathy is a serious concern for people who have had diabetes for a long period of time, as it can lead to loss of vision and numbness in our extremities. Now, slowing down or even stopping diabetic neuropathy is critical, especially because of the fact that type 2 diabetes is now showing up in our children as young as 8 years old. So along with repairing nerve damage, ALA has also been shown to improve insulin metabolism. Because of the protection to the nerve cells, ALA has been shown to preserve brain cells from further damage following a stroke. It helps to boost glutathione levels, which is a powerful antioxidant that our body produces naturally and is crucial to the optimal functioning of our immune system. One final benefit of ALA I would like to mention is that as an antioxidant, it is specific to the protection and detoxification of the liver, making it useful in treating many chronic liver disorders. So as you can see, with just these two ingredients alone, acetyl-L-carnitine and alpha-lipoic acid, these have been found to be extremely important in the production and nourishment of our nervous system. There are two other ingredients in Cellgen that make this product so unique. Choline is the next one. Choline is part of the B vitamin complex. As you know, B vitamins are very important for stress and energy. It is needed to make acetylcholine, which is an important neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitters are like messengers that pass information from one nerve ending to another. So when a person suffers a stroke or any type of nerve damage, such as in Parkinson's, where the nerve pathways have been damaged or destroyed, acetylcholine can actually go in and help to repair that damage, to repair the dendrites, the nerve endings that attach to each other. So what is truly amazing, though, about this research is they also found that if that nerve damage was too extensive and it could not be repaired, the acetylcholine would actually create new pathways. Low levels of acetylcholine have been associated with memory loss and motor dysfunction. So in creating these new pathways, stroke victims have been found to recover tremendously. The final ingredient in Cellgen is creatine monohydrate. It is an important compound that is actually manufactured by the liver. As we age and our liver function lessens, we produce less creatine. Creatine supplementation has become very popular among bodybuilders. Well, why would we need it? Well, just the average, normal, everyday person. Well, all of us, as we age, suffer from our muscle mass decreasing, and we become slower and weaker. How many times have you thought, my body just doesn't function like it used to? I just don't seem to have the stamina I used to. Well, this occurs because the energy production in our cells becomes compromised as our liver function decreases. How creatine monohydrate works is as a precursor to creatine phosphate, which is essential in the ADP-ATP energy pathway. Simply put, because this can be very complicated, but simply put, our muscles use ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, for energy by splitting off one of the phosphate molecules. When this happens, it produces ADP, which is adenosine diphosphate. Now, in order to complete the energy pathway and make ATP again, another phosphate needs to be added to the ADP, and that phosphate comes from creatine phosphate. So our body uses ATP for energy, which breaks down to ADP. The ADP then needs to be converted back to ATP with creatine phosphate, which is made by creatine monohydrate. So without adequate amounts of creatine monohydrate, the energy pathway will literally stop. And of course, as the energy production stops, we start to slow down and lose muscle mass. And where does this process all take place? The energy process of the ADP to the ATP, it takes place in the mitochondria. So again, we are feeding our mitochondria and supporting it to help delay the decay and the oxidant damage done to it. So as you have heard, Dr. Liu and Dr. Wang created Cellgen with 4 ingredients that when combined have produced phenomenal results for many people. In cases of stroke, I have personally seen dramatic improvement in my mother's condition when she suffered a major stroke, completely paralyzing her right side. She is now able to walk with a walker and care for herself with minimal assistance. For a woman of 86, that's pretty amazing. I have also heard of very good results with calming tremors of the hands and general improvement in muscle coordination due to nerve damage. Some of our distributors have reported an improvement in focus and concentration, especially in cases of adult ADD and ADHD. This can really make a difference for many people who have an important test to take or project due, or even for those of us who need to give a presentation such as this one, because of the calming effect it has on our brain. And finally, there have been some cases reported from diabetics who, under the guidance of their physician, have been able to actually decrease the amount of insulin they normally use. Many research articles have been published that statistically show the benefits and regenerative possibilities of this product. Amkey is the only company that has been given permission to sell this outstanding product for the next 10 years. The health of our brain and nervous system is essential in maintaining the highest quality of our lives. They are also one of the hardest systems to repair when damaged. So take control of your health today and plan for a healthy tomorrow. Thank you.